Hey guys, got a follow-up video from yesterday when I made a video about guitaring. Now in this video we're showing you how to use SyncBack, which is going to allow you to copy the files that have changed on your USB thumb drive from a folder that's on your computer, and so you don't have to copy everything across, and it just copies the files that it needs. So let's have a look at the program we're going to be using. It's called SyncBack and you can get it from 2brightsparks.com. There is paid versions here, but there's also a free version. If you come down the page you will see a free version here. Now this works with all versions of Windows apart from Windows 95. I'm not sure that anyone's going to be using Windows 95, but there you go. Now I've got a folder on my desktop here, and I've also got SyncBack as well. Now if I go into my folder which I showed you yesterday of malware tools and stuff like that, as you can see these are the tools that I've got set up on my pen drive. So the way I've set mine up is I'll have a folder on my computer which is called USB pen, and I'll also have inside the computer plugged in my pen drive which has got exactly the same files and folders. But what happens is when I use guitaring to update the files and folders on my computer, I can then use SyncBack to send changes to my USB thumb drive, and I'll show you how that works. It's pretty straightforward. Just saves you from copying all the files across every single time. So here we have some changes. Let's have a look at guitaring, and I have this here, and what I'm going to do first is just click on the update all button to make changes to the folders that I've got, and this will make some changes if it needs be. And as you can see there is a couple of changes. There's another definitions for Avast to come down, and there's also an update for combo fix. Now there is something wrong with anti-vi there, so I need to change that. When you see a cross like that, that means the actual link is dead or it's timed out. Okay, so we'll let these just update now. As you can see there's some updates that need to be done. Okay, so our update is now complete, and we've just updated all the files on our USB pen folder which is on our computer, as you can see. So this is not the pen drive, this is the actual computer. So what we've done is updated all this, and now we need to make the changes to our pen drive which has got identical files in it but the older versions, and we can do that with SyncBack. So I'm going to fire up SyncBack, and you can see I've got a profile already set up. So what I'm going to do is show you how to quickly set up a profile. It's pretty easy. You just need to go back up for copying files to another directory, drive, FTP server, etc. Click OK there. You need to name it. I'm just going to call it test for this video. Click OK. The next thing we want to do is go to the advanced tab here, and you want to make sure that you've got delete file from destination. Click OK, and you can see what it's doing. It's going to copy the file to the destination and it will delete the file from the destination. So it'll only, all the updates, the changes that it's made, it will just delete and remove those. Okay, and keep the latest versions on your pen drive. It's as simple as that really. Now the source here is the folder that we've created on our computer. So I've called mine USB pen, which is here. You click OK, and the destination will be your pen drive. So you need to make sure that you're selecting your pen drive at this stage, and mine's H, and that will be it. You click OK. Now I don't need to do that because I've already done mine, so I'm going to cancel this one. So you can set up a schedule and all that sort of stuff. I'm not going to go into all that, but you can set a schedule up. It's pretty straightforward, and all I need to do here now is click run, and as you can see what the run's done is it's now talking to that USB thumb drive and also the folder, and it can see there's been changes made. So not in the destination folder, which is on my pen drive there. So what it will do is it will copy those across, So it'll only do the stuff that needs to be done, and it saves a lot more time. So what we need to do here is click continue, and it will make these changes to my pen drive, which will then be identical to the ones that are on my computer. So I'm going to click run, and you can see it saying running there, and now it's copying the files over to my pen drive, and it will remove any of the ones that need to be removed, so we don't end up with loads of duplicates. Okay, so let me just pull this open so we can see the full details of what's going on. I'll just move this across, and you should be able to see what it's doing. So once I open this right up, you'll see it's copying the files and deleting files. So it's deleting the duplicates and copying the files that are missing. Okay, so as you can see here, we have success, and that means all the files have now copied across. So what we can do here is close this off, and let's have a look at the files on the pen drive. If I go to antivirus and Viper, you can see Viper's been copied across, and there's also some malware tools. Killbox was one of them, and that's now been created, as you can see, and that'll all copy across. So it's a simple way of doing things. You don't have to copy this all across in one go, and that's what takes all the time really. So that's about it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Brian from britec.co.uk. If you enjoy these videos, please remember guys, hit that subscribe button and show your support, and rate and favourite all my videos if you enjoyed them, and I'll be making more videos again in the future. So thanks again for watching. Bye for now.